Question 1 to 7. Which section contains the following information? First, comparison of bamboo with other plant species. This information is given in paragraph E, 7th line. Some plants are threatened because they can't survive in the habitat, they are not strong enough or there are not enough of them, perhaps. But bamboo can take care of itself, it is strong enough to survive if left alone. Second, commercial products of bamboo. This information is given in paragraph D. Paragraph D, first line. However, bamboo's most immediate significance lies in its economic value. Modern processing techniques mean that it can be used in a variety of ways, for example as flooring and laminates. Third, limited extent of existing research. This information is given in paragraph B. In 7th line, of these only 38 priority species identified for their commercial value have been subject of any real scientific research. And this has focused mostly on matters relating to their viability as a commodity. Fourth, a human development that destroyed large areas of bamboo. This information is given in paragraph A. Last third line, but in the past 100 years or so, resources have come under increasing pressure as populations have exploded, and large areas of bamboo forest have been cleared to make way for farms and commercial plantations. Fifth, how bamboos are put to a variety of uses. This information is also given in paragraph D. One of the fastest growing bamboo products is paper. 25% of paper produced in India is made from bamboo fiber, and in Brazil, 100,000 hectares of bamboo are grown for its production. Of course, bamboo's main function has always been in domestic applications, and as a locally traded commodity, it's worth about $4.5 billion annually because of its versatility, flexibility, and strength. Its tensile strength compares to that of some steel. It has traditionally been used in construction. Today, more than 1 billion people worldwide live in bamboo households. Bamboo is often the only readily available raw material for people in many developing countries. Research associates at Royal Botanic Garden, bamboo can be harvested from forest areas or grown quickly elsewhere, and then converted simply without expensive machinery or facilities. He says in this way it contributes substantially to poverty alleviation and wealth creation. Sixth, an explanation of how bamboo can help the survival of a range of. This information is given in paragraph C. In 5th line, and there is growing evidence that bamboo plays an important part in determining forest structure and dynamics. Bamboo's pattern of mass flowering and mass death leaves behind large areas of dry biomass that attract wildlife. When these burn, they create patches of open ground within the forest far bigger than would be left by a fallen tree. Patchiness helps to preserve diversity because certain plant species do better during the early stages of regeneration when there are gaps in the canopy. Seventh, the methods used to study bamboo. This information is given in paragraph B. A recent report published by UN Environment Programme and the International Network for Bamboo and Rattan has revealed just how profound is our ignorance of global bamboo resources, particularly in relation to conservation. And compared to work carried out on animals, the science of assessing the conservation status of plants is still in its infancy. Question 8 to 11. Use the information in the passage to match the people. 8th. Destroying bamboo jeopardies to wildlife. The information matches to A. Ian Redmond. This is given in paragraph A, third line. Although there are at almost 150 types of plants, as well as various insect and other invertebrates, bamboo accounts for up to 90% of their diet at this time of year. Without it, says Ian Redmond, chairman of Ape Alliance, their chances of survival would be reduced significantly. 9th. People have very confined knowledge of bamboo. This information matched to B. Valery Kapos. Paragraph B, last fourth line. People have only started looking hard at this during the past 10-15 years, and only now are they getting a handle on how to go about it systematically, says Dr. Valery Kapos, one of the report's author and a senior advisor in forest ecology and conservation to the UNEP. 10th. Some people do not think that bamboo is in danger. This is also statement of B. Valery Kapos. In paragraph E, fourth line, in a lot of places the people who live with bamboo do not perceive it as being endangered in any way, says Kapos. 11th. Bamboo has lots of commercial potential. This statement matches to Chris. In paragraph T, bamboo is often the only readily available raw material for people in many developing countries, says Chris, a research associate at Royal Botanic Garden. Bamboo can be harvested from forest areas or grown quickly elsewhere, and then converted simply without expensive machinery or facilities, he says. In this way, it contributes substantially to poverty alleviation and wealth creation. (12 to 13) Answer the question. 12th. What environment problem does the unique root system of bamboo prevent? Paragraph C. Bamboo tends to grow in stands made up of groups of individual plants that grow from root system known as rhizomes. Its extensive rhizome system, which tie in the top layers of the soil, are crucial in preventing soil erosion. 13. Which bamboo product is experiencing market expansion? In paragraph D, second line, one of the fastest growing bamboo product is paper. 25% of paper produced in India is made from bamboo fiber. And in Brazil, 100,000 hectares of bamboo are grown for its production. So the product is paper.